मागता आनीक जे आज सुरवातेक म्हाका दिसता the police have to focus on the arrest of Velingkar for the statements that he made were purposely made knowing that the exposition is just around the corner. They should lead by example. Anik J, I have read that several cases have been put on citizens. I believe that these cases should be withdrawn. I also condemn the attack on journalists, on the way these things were taken place, on the way a lathi charge was initiated on a journalist, Bab Amcho Bab Santosh. आम्ही सगळे ओळखता तेका इतली वर्सां जाली, and I believe that Guj has also condemned that particular thing. आता हेजेर जेन्ना आमी उलयतना we ask for peace among the people to prevail within the state, and I am happy that म्हाका दिसता गोंयकार आमचे मदें जे communal harmony पाड घालपाक जे सोदताय, it is an appeal from me personally, from all of us, that we should live and protect our peace and harmony.